Okay, if you guys got like a 04, 05, 06 phaeton, Volkswagen phaeton, key one program, no lights on the dash, you might have a back chassis module right here. Right here. Could be on the water. Okay. So if you do have communication with the old one, go ahead and do the test plan to replace the module, and it will take the coating of the old one and put into the new one. All right. If not, make sure you operate the brake pedal, like that way you get communication. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna code the chassis module on the 05, and you're gonna adapt the chassis module first to the immobilizer. All right. Once you do that, and he gave up like the VIN number of the car, that means it's already coded to the vehicle, and now you could go ahead and program the key. Okay, when you program in the key, if you're doing two keys and you doing the procedure, make sure you put the last one back in one more time, and that will program everything right. Okay, and make sure you have a battery charger connector all time to the vehicle, like I have right here. Okay, and that should do it, guys. Okay, so remember, you adapt the chassis to the immobilizer, and then you try adapting the keys. Okay, hope that helped you.